Hey guys, we got a 1995 Skyline, straight from Japan, GT. Basically, this is what the car looks like. Okay. We installed the Excalibur 1670 with the linker unit to arm the system. You're gonna hit lock, locks your doors. Okay, until your doors are locked here. Unlocks your doors, turns off the alarm as well. We give him the remote start. Hit this little guy here in the top. Crank right up. Car's running. This is the voltage of the actual battery or the actual car. This is a signal of the unit. We're not going to show GPS location for security reasons. This is the run time. It's going to run 30 minutes going backwards. They programmed it for 30 minutes. Give you a tour inside the car. Okay. It's getting the radio installed pretty soon, so you didn't want to put the dash back up. But we finished the alarm for him with the remote start. It's going to have text alert in case somebody breaks in. The whole 9 years with the phone, the GPS, the remote start. That's what he wanted. Car's pretty clean. It needs a little love here and there, but other than that, needs new rims. But I think he's got himself a nice collectible. If anybody pushes the foot in the brake, gets in, it shut off the car. So what you do when you remote start it, you turn the key in ignition, and then you push the foot in the brake, and you can push the foot in the brake and then take off, and the car stays running because the key's already turned off. But at least you get your AC going, especially in an old car like this. It's going to take a long time to cool off. Yeah, basically comes with the remote controls. That you can arm it, disarm it. If you don't want to do it from the phone, you can do it from the remote control. Arms the alarm, disarm the alarm, and if you press this little button here twice, it'll start the car again. Okay. So yeah, this is the Skyline. I mean, we've done maybe 3 or 4 of these. After banning the other way, doing the installation on the American style, which is in the past, on the other side doing the job. You bend to the right. This one I had, since this, you drive the vehicle in the U.S. passenger side, the right side, and then you had to bend the other way to do the installation, which maybe adjusted my back a little bit. From bending the other way for a bunch of years, doing a bunch of cars over 35 years. So yeah, this is the installation in the Skyline. So I figure I'd do a little video for you guys to see the car. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Line Specialist, and we thank you for watching this video.